So Dangote Cement is going to pay you handsomely if only you are going to borrow them your money for just a period of time. So on the 10th of June 2025, Dangote Cement started issuing commercial paper investments. And you, my friend, I am going to show you in today's video how you are going to take advantage of this opportunity. The only thing I want you to do for me is to go ahead and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are about to get in today's video. And you know what? I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and click on the subscription button right now. But please do not forget to turn on the bell notification because it's going to remind you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. And with all this being said and done, let's jump straight into the video. So the commercial paper investment that Dangote Cement is offering has three series, which is series 19, series 20, series 21. Now the series 19 is going to last for 93 days. Series 20 is going to last for 184 days, while Series 21 is going to last for 268 days. Now, in case you want to know the interest which this three series is going to offer, then I'm glad to let you know that Series 19 is going to offer you 21%. Series 20 is going to offer you 23%, while Series 21 is going to offer you 24.5%. Now, my friend, I want to let you know that this interest is going to be per annum and not for the period. So in the beginning of the video, I made mention of Dangote Cement offering commercial paper investments. And I know the question you are going to ask or you will be asking is, what is commercial paper? Now, if you're asking what commercial paper is, then I want to let you know that commercial paper is similar to treasury bills. So if commercial paper is similar to treasury bill, the next question you are going to ask is, what then is treasury bill? Now I want to let you know that treasury bill basically means the federal government asking us to borrow their money so that in turn they are going to give us some interest, right? So commercial paper now is the corporate organization and not the one asking us to borrow their money so that in turn they are going to give us interest, right? So I hope you understand. Now you've known what commercial paper is and what treasury bill is and the difference between commercial paper and treasury bills. Now, what are you going to look out for before you can be able to invest in commercial paper? Right now, one of the things you have to look out for before you can be able to invest in commercial paper is you have to look out for the track record of that particular company you want to invest in, right? Let's say we want to invest in Dangote Cement. We have to look out for the track record of that particular company. Another thing you have to look out for is the credit worthiness of that particular company, right? So Dangote is around the AA plus, so they are credit worthy. So now that you have known what to look out for before you can be able to invest in commercial paper investment, right? Now the next question I'm very sure you are going to be asking is, investing in commercial paper, is it risky? Or is it risky to invest in commercial paper? So my friend, I am going to be lying to you if I say that investing in commercial paper is not risky. Besides, business is risky. This life is risky because you can never tell what is going to happen the next minute. But the risk in commercial paper investment is minimal. That is the only thing I have to let you know. So now that you've known the risk level of investing in commercial paper, the next question is, how are you now going to be able to invest in this commercial paper investment that is ongoing? The commercial paper investment that Dangote Cement is offering. Now, what I want you to do is to walk up to your stockbroker and then let them know that you want to take advantage of this ongoing commercial paper investment that Dangote Cement is offering, and then they are going to take it from there. So if you have gotten to this point of the video, I want you to take a minute and click the like button in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video, and I want you to remember to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, just go ahead and click on the subscription button. Now my friend, since you have known what commercial paper is and what treasury bill is and the difference between commercial paper and treasury bill, and since you've already know the things you have to look out for before you can be able to invest in commercial paper, and since you have already known the risk level of commercial paper, then the next question you are going to ask is, what is the minimum amount you need to have before you can be able to be eligible of investing in commercial paper? Then the minimum amount you can be able to have before you can be able to invest in this ongoing commercial paper investment which Dangote Cement is offering is the sum of 5 million naira only. So if you have 5 million that you can be able to spare up for some period of time, then you can consider investing in commercial paper investment which Dangote Cement is offering. Currently, Treasury bill is offering around 19.5%, and then commercial paper is here offering you 24.5%. So you do the maths and know the one that is going to be better for you. Now that you've gotten to this point of the video, then my name is Leo and I create videos around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online and offline. We created a WhatsApp group, and what we'll do in this WhatsApp community group is that we'll upload various ways, strategies you can be able to make money for yourself online and offline, right? Now, should in case you want to join this community WhatsApp group, I'm going to be leaving the link in the video description and as well as the comment section. So click the link and I'm very, very sure and glad to welcome you there, right? Now, in case you are looking for more ways you can be able to make money, or more ways your money can be able to make money for you, or even if you are looking for ways you can be able to make money without any investments whatsoever, no money, no bringing any two persons that is going to bring another two persons that will bring extra two persons, then you see this video you are seeing on the screen now, my friend. Yes, this video on the screen. I want you to click on the video and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning and know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, bye for now.